Hello students, open your textbook page number 198. Okay, so today we are going to discuss on the point Project Tiger. Project Tiger means what? It is a project to save the tiger. It is a project to save the tiger and it is launched by our government, our India's government. Okay, so in 1973, the government of India launched Project Tiger to save tigers from extinctions under Project Tiger. Okay, because the number of tiger now get decrease. Okay, in our forest. So our government decided to launch a project, Project Tiger, to save tigers. Okay. So 45 tiger reserve have been created in our country to conserve tigers. So students, 45 tigers are reserved and in our country to conserve tigers. Tiger became a protected animal. Hunting of tiger is now a punishable act. So tiger now tiger is protecting by government of India. So hunting of tiger or killing of tiger is now punishable. Okay, it is now punishable act. Means if any one person hunt the tiger or the person kill the tiger, then that person get the punish or that person can go to the jail also. As a result of these initiatives, the number of tigers in India has increased, and because of this Project Tiger, the number of टाइगर्स इन इंडिया इंक्रीज. वो क्या हो गए, ये प्रोजेक्ट के वजह से जो टाइगर्स के नंबर थे, जो कम नंबर्स थे टाइगर के, अभी वो बढ़ने लगे. इंक्रीज मीन्स वो और ज्यादा हो गए. इंडिया इज नाउ होम टू अबाउट हाफ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड टाइगर पॉपुलेशन. ओके, सो इन इंडिया ओनली दे आर हैविंग द large number of tiger. Okay, so it is called the world tiger or home of half of the world tiger population. Okay, so this is a Project Tiger. So this is a project to save the life of tiger and it is launched by government of India in 1973. Okay, so next point is conservation of forest. Conservation means what? To take care of forest or to save the forest. The cutting down of trees over a large area of land is called deforestation. So I think I have taught you about deforestation in our SST chapter number 5, that is India's natural soil and the forest wealth. Okay, so what is meant by deforestation? The cutting down trees over a large area of land means cutting down the trees. It is called deforestation. Due to increasing population, forests are cut down for the construction of buildings, towns and industries. Then why forests are cutting down? So to build the buildings, towns and industries, and because of the increasing population, forests are cut down. When forests are cut down, the following will happen. Okay. So student, when we cut the forest for our construction of buildings, for our resources. So and because of these, there are having many effects. There are happening many effects on the animal life and on the environment also. Correct? Means if you are cutting any trees or if you are cutting if you are cutting the forest for your need, so there also effect on the animal, bird, then plants life and also environment. So animals will lose their homes. Correct? When you cutting down the forest, animals lose their homes. उनको घर नहीं मिलता फॉरेस्ट कट करने से. The amount of oxygen in the air will be reduced. Correct? So we get the oxygen from the plant. If we cut the forest or if we cut the trees, then the oxygen level also decrease or reduced. Soil erosion will increase. Soil erosion will increase. Correct. Soil का erosion ज्यादा होगा. Correct. So thus cutting down of trees must be avoided. So what we have to avoid? So cutting down of trees we have to avoid. For every tree cut down, new sapling should be planted. Then what you have to do? If you are cutting one tree, then you have to plant another one tree. And this is way we can save the life of forest. Planting new trees to replace the ones that are cut down is called reforestation. So when you are cutting one tree and then you are planting new tree, so it is called reforestation. And this way we can save the life of forest, we can save the life of animal, and our environment balance will be it will be on very good position. Correct. It not get decrease. Environment balance cannot get decrease. Okay. So we first thing it is that we have to avoid the cutting of trees. And if we are cutting one tree, then we have to plant new or another tree in place of this. Okay. So students, next point is the Chipko movement. Chipko movement is what? It is also a movement. It is also about cutting down of the trees. It is against the cutting down of trees. Chipko means hug. हम लोग मम्मी पापा को कैसे हक करते हैं या हमारे फ्रेंड्स को कैसे हक करते हैं. ओके. सो लाइक दैट वे सम पीपल they want to save the forest, so they give hug to the trees, and they avoid or they not give chance to the people to cut the trees. So Chipko in Hindi means to stick. Chipko in Hindi means to stick. The Chipko movement was started in the early 1970s by a group of women in a village in Uttar Pradesh. तो ये चिपको मूवमेंट कहाँ पे हुआ था? उत्तर प्रदेश. नाउ इन उत्तराखंड. ओके. सो उत्तर प्रदेश में क्या हुआ था? सो इन 1917 सम पीपल, फॉरेस्ट के जो पीपल थे या अदर ग्रुप के जो पीपल थे वो फॉरेस्ट कट करने आ रहे थे. दैट टाइम द वुमेन फ्रॉम द विलेज ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश they started the Chipko movement. So the women hugged trees trunks to prevent wood cutters from cutting the trees. So what they did, the women hug the trees or stick to the tree to prevent woodcutters from cutting the trees. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? woodcutters से trees की life बचाने के लिए उन्होंने trees को hug किया. The Chipko movement was led by Sundarlal Bahuguna. He was the person Sundarlal Bahuguna. Okay, and he was the leader of this Chipko movement. The Chipko movement helped to conserve forest, and because of the Chipko movement, the conservation of forest it is started. Okay, so Chipko means to stick. So student, this way the women from the Uttar Pradesh, they save the trees from the woodcutters. Okay, from cutting woodcutters. Okay students, so this is called Chipko movement. And then next is a Vana Mahotsav program. All you know Vana Mahotsav program means what? You have to plant a new trees. See, in month of June we have a heavy rainfall in our area. So that time we are planting more trees. So that is called Vana Mahotsav program. So Vana Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival that aims to protect forest cover. Okay. So what is mean by Vana Mahotsav? It is an annual tree planting festival. तो हमें क्या करना है? Vana Mahotsav मतलब हमें whole year में tree plants करने हैं. And what is the aim of this Vana Mahotsav? To protect the forest. To protect the forest life. Vana Mahotsav was launched by the government of India in 1950 in Gujarat. Where it was launched in Gujarat, and it is launched by government of India in 1950. Government nurseries supply saplings to the people for afforestation. Okay, so what is mean by afforestation? Plant a new trees. Okay, so it is called afforestation. So government what they are giving? They are giving they are giving small small plants or saplings from the nursery, and they are giving saplings to the people to plant the new trees. Okay. Then Vanamahotsav is also known as a forest week. So Vanamahotsav is also known as the forest week, and you can plant a tree in whole year also, because it is very good for us and good for environment also. Planting tree is very good for us and good for environment. Okay, so student, conservation of natural resources we will see in our next video. So complete your homework. Thank you, students.